How to use the Sulfur app on iOS. If you see here, it has got the name Sora, but in order to find this app, you're gonna have to go to App Store and then search for Sulfur. If you search Sulfur on App Store, you'll get this app. Just install it. After the installation, just open it for the first time. We've got three tabs. That's library, it shows you the bookmarks and the items that you had watched before. We have got the search function, which lets you directly search for contents here or the modules. Also, we've got the settings. We have got several things to customize like general preferences, media player, modules, trackers, etc. Now the very first thing that you want to do inside this app is to go to modules section and we're going to add the modules. Now the modules are just like the extension repositories. You can tap on plus here to add the repository or module URL and it will just add the module. If you have your own source or repo, you can just add here. But if you don't have your own source, let me demonstrate you by adding one external source here. Go back to home screen, launch Safari, and just Google search for Sora modules pages and click on the first link here from Sora modules, soramodules.pages.deb, and you can pick up any module here. Let's pick the first one. It will prompt you to open in Sora. Click on open and now you can add the module automatically. It's from GitHub, so it's fully trusted. And if you want to add any other modules, go back to the same website here and pick up any one, open and add. So thus the modules have been added. This is the very first thing that you want to do inside this app. Let's go back now. Once you added the modules, if you go to search here, you can tap on select module. Now select which of the module that you want to use. Let's pick the first one here. Go back and go to search tab now. Now here the module has been selected at the top and you can search and explore the module here using any keywords of your choice. I'm gonna take you back to settings inside this app and we have general preferences here. You can change the accent, color, just like this. Also you can select the appearance mode here. As of now the theme is system. Change it to dark mode or light or use the system default. We can also customize media view here. That is the episodes range, metadata provider, media grid layout and modules. Go back. If you go to media player here, you can change the default media player here and also force the landscape mode and many other settings, speed setting, progress bar, marker color and also the skip settings. Last but not the least, subtitle settings. We can also customize the trackers here. You can even log in with Track TV. So that's all about the Sora app or Sulfur app. Briefly, I have explained everything that you need in order to use this app. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.